Sorry na back ko kasi ginamit ang cellphone. Let's go to Roblox.
This is a scene we've seen, what, the last time in the grand finals about 2 years ago. In SM Town Hall in the Hall of Champions. I can't believe that was 2 years ago. How time flies. But time are flying again after back-to-back years of playoff upsets. They're finally back in the grand finals, but it's a liquid team that is on the way to ending another very, very dominant season.
Yeah, the series na napanood natin mula sa Team Liquid Philippines kontra Onyx ay talagang naging dominante. And sa ngayon, makikita natin na magtatapat na naman ng dalawang Titans. Makikita naman natin ang ating tournament history kung saan marami ay masasabi natin Black International.
Ito na, ano lalaroin natin. Siyempre wala.
Wala pang nakakagawa ng 3 beses na magkakasunod at tuloy-tuloy na kampiyonato. At yun hinahabol ng Team Liquid Philippines eh.
Yeah, and nabanggit ko kahapon sa English broadcast, ikaw correct ko lang, pero since season 11, 2 beses lang nag-miss. What the Blasters is that they found this will be what this to it.
Is that a faker now? To be fair, it's a question. I'm asking.
Okay, let's do a
Ng
win.
PNPH, isa ang partners talaga sa pinaka-consistent na bumabang sa
Wait,
kanila.
ulit.
Kaya makikita natin
No, bro! Talikod nga tayo. Huwag lang alam ko sa tole. Dito guys, dito tayo mag-go-go na. Try naman dito. Hindi natin kaya. Si Rin Rosa yung mga kaya. I-try natin. Balik ka rin. Wait lang, ba't may bago dyan? Ito na guys.
The GT off of their name. Even they said it yesterday when Wolf and I got to talk to them analyzing their game. It really means a lot to them. They dropped the TVs for a reason. They want to be remembered as Black Pascal and the legacies they made. And other than the shadow of man at the bottom of the screen.
Dito na lang tayo. Roll plastic. Noob! 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 You're not. I'm first time in Roblox. One trolling. So your boyfriend kasi tinitroll mo ko na si Bacon. Kaibigan ko yung si Bacon kasi may basta may ano lang ako dito, may ano, salamin at saka sombrero. Kasi ito wala. Noob lang siya, noob. Noob lang siya, noob. Brian, don't know, I don't care, don't have boyfriend with Baba. My team, Bacon,
Make JP and Santi
Bacon.
then maybe you get a chance to take over now to Turtle 1 and then the next Turtles after that. Macro-based gameplay will be the key. In the playoffs, Onyx Philippines, that's what they got over Team Falcon.
Lol.
Blacklist.
I want no because I want to make anticipated. I don't care who wants them. Mind your own business.
Dr. Oliver Evangelista, the OIC of Professional Sports and Games, development of the Games and Amusements Board. Hello, first. Welcome to the Champions Arena. Now, Dr. Oliver, we now have representatives for the Asian Games, the 20th,
You're not care.
the
You're not
MSC, and the MWI as the
bike. You lost. I'm woman that I'm playing Roblox that I'm woman.
is our official single jersey for the 20th Asian Games. And FPL super fans, let us support our Filipino team.
Super lagi. Your cat. You are a monkey. You monkey.
A real
Kung paano lumaki ng lumaki ang sport sa ating bansa, napakaraming pagkakataon na nabigay sa napakaraming Pilipino, whether you're pagdating sa paglalaro, pagdating sa production, pagdating sa iba't ibang konektadong negosyo at industriya sa sport, ang Pilipino ang best in the world. Kaya sa mga kabataan po dyan, kung sa esports ang gusto nyong career, whether as a player, or as a coach, or as a counselor, or as a content creator, or what it means to represent the flag. At the forefront is Paul TZ, the most decorated player in history.
Labi. Daisuki. Dibi-chan.
Presenting the Philippine representatives for the Asian Games.
Bikin no.
EXP, Stanford, PHI.
Who is that? Bakit? Ayun na may picture. Tagalog ka o Oh, bayan ng Pilipinas. English pa ako. Super bang? Ito.
Definitely see that if see some people, I know we do just to some people
Ano na yung sasabihin nito?
sa mga pamilya na pa-picture sa amin. So parang doon pa lang, namanghala ako. Sabi ko, this is a community that I want to be in.
Sige. Sige.
Mga magulang natin, look at
Sige.
it's not necessarily pretty. Kita lang ako sa nanay. Really talaga. Yung mali na bata doon. Talagang pinag-tag yung
Nagtatags kasi.
nandun ako masarap ko. Parang mga Pilipino kasi, parang ikaw ito, ikaw yan, kahit ang pagkakama. Ayun nga pero lumalaban ka lang tayo giving
Tatag! Lolo.
I believe is trying to
Ate Christian.
I mean, automatically, kapag na ng culture ng Pinoy eh. Hindi po, ano lalaro mo? MLBB.
yun yung dahilan kung bakit ito yung pinakamalaking liga ng sports mo.
Walang space? Sabi niya walang space. Ate Christine. Power.
It's Team Liquid Philippines versus Team Stockton. This is the LPLPA Season 17 Grand Final! In the EXP lane, it's clear legend, Raging Stanford versus the Philippine Cannon,
Ate Christine? Wala naman dito eh.
in the jungle, Carl Kizzy versus the young phenom, Hal.
So yun guys, dito ko natatapusin yung vlog. So sana nag-enjoy kayo sa away bati namin. Hanggang na yun. Pero hindi kami nag-add kasi ayoko maulit yung makasama kasi baka awayin na ulit ako. At yo, subscribe na and bye. Post ko na to sa YouTube. Bye!